Hello everyone, welcome back to our class. You are watching Science Concepts. Students, we have been learning about diffusion process and how does the diffusion process vary in different state of the materials. So in earlier class, you have learned about the diffusion process and types of diffusion and what is the definition of diffusion. Now in this session, we are going to be learn about the diffusion process in two gases. Means what is the rate of diffusion for two different gases. So how does we give the differentiate of the diffusion rate for these two gases. So let me observe the lab activity of two gases and a rate of diffusion for two gases. So let's get going our session. Yes, students, in this session for this lab activity, we need two solutions. Those are ammonia solution and hydrochloric acid solution. Yes, how do we prepare the solutions? Yes, by adding the ammonia to the certain amount of water, ammonia solution will be prepared, and hydrochloric acid solution, nothing but by adding some amount of hydrochloric acid to the water, that hydrochloric acid solution. Yes. So otherwise concentrated hydrochloric acid we can take for this lab activity. Yes. So what are the procedure and what are the material required? What is the aim of for this lab activity? So let me discuss. Lab activity. When we discuss about lab activity, we need certain procedures. We follow certain procedures. Yes. So first, what is the aim of this lab activity? Yes. Here, to identify the rate of diffusion of two gases, that those are ammonia and hydrochloride gas. So we are going to observe the rate of diffusion for these two gases. What are those? Ammonia and hydrochloride gas. Yes, this is the aim of us. And what is the material required? Yes, we need some materials to complete this activity and to make the procedure and follow the procedure for this lab activity. What are those materials? Yes, we need one long glass tube. Nearly it is 1 meter long glass tube, and this is the hollow long glass tube. Means both the ends of the glass tube should be opened. So we should take such type of long glass tube, and we require two rubber corks. What are those? Rubber corks we require, and one retard stand. To fix this long glass tube, we need one retard stand and two beakers to take two solutions. What are those? Ammonia solution and hydrochloric acid solution. Yes. So then what is the procedure? And what is the procedure way method? How do we follow the method to observe this rate of diffusion of two gases? So let me see here. So first we have to take the long glass tube and we have to fix the long glass tube to the retard stand. Next we have to take two cotton balls. Yes, two cotton balls, and one cotton ball should soak into ammonia solution and another cotton ball should soak into hydrochloric acid solution. Yes, so these two cotton balls should be insert both the end of the glass tube. After then, we should cover the end of these two glasses, end of the two ends of the glass by the rubber cork. Yes. So then we have to observe certain time. Which cotton ball soaked into ammonia solution, that cotton ball produce the ammonia gas, and which cotton ball soaked into hydrochloric acid solution, that cotton ball produce hydrochloride gas. Yes, these two gases release from two cotton balls. Yes, then we have to observe for some time this procedure, and we will observe that after some time the gases release from the two cotton balls. So yes, from one cotton ball ammonia gas release, from another cotton balls hydrochloride gas release. Yes, so then let me observe that which gas diffuse very fast, means which gas travel with high speed, either ammonia gas or hydrochloride gas. So here in this glass tube we will observe what is the dense white colored one foam, as like we will observe inside of the glass tube. What is the mean of it? What explains this denser fumes inside of the glass tube? Yes, when the ammonia gas and hydrochloride gas are transferred in the glass tube, which point these two gases meet, at that point one product will be formed. Yes, that is nothing but ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. So due to formation of ammonium chloride by mixing of two gas at one point, there we will observe the denser fume or white color fumes we will observe inside of the glass tube. Yes, so by this activity or by this lab activity, what do we conclude? Yes, we can conclude that this ammonia, the different gases transferred in the glass tube, means nothing but ammonia gas and hydrochloride gas transferred into the glass tube. Then which gas traveled very fast than other? Yes, the denser fumes, white color fumes formed near to the cotton ball of the hydrochloric acid. Which cotton ball soaked into the hydrochloric acid, near to that cotton ball, these hues and nothing but white color fumes formed, ring as like it formed there. Nothing but ammonia gas traveled very fast than hydrochloride gas, because that's why near to the hydrochloride ball, means which cotton ball soaked into the hydrochloric acid solution, near to that cotton ball the huge fumes has formed there. So nothing but ammonia gas traveled very fast than hydrochloride gas. So by this activity we can conclude that ammonia gas has more diffusion than hydrochloride gas. Yes, then what are the precautions should be taken in this lab activity? Yes, we should take care while we dipping the cotton ball into hydrochloric acid, and these are the hydrochloric acid is a very strong acid and nothing but a dangerous acid. It may cause burn or any injury for your skin. So you should take care while we are doing the experiment with acid and ammonia gas, ammonia solution. So we have to take care, we have to maintain certain distance while we are taking the ammonia solution or hydrochloric acid solution. Those release some fumes, we should not inhale that fumes. It may cause some nausea feeling and some different feelings in your body. So I hope you follow these precautions while you are observing and while you are doing the lab activity. So finally, what do you observe here? This. Yes, ammonia gas has more diffusion than the hydrochloride gas. So students, hope you understand this session about rate of diffusion of two gases. So follow this lab experiment and what are the steps we have followed, and try to do this experiment in your school lab and try to understand the procedure whatever we have followed. So hope you understand this session. So thank you for listening this class.